Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Code with ER. In this video guys, we are going to learn something new, something awesome, something dynamic in react.js. Yes guys, today in this video we are going to learn something cool, something awesome in react.js. And guys, today we are going to learn, we are going to know that how to create an awesome, dynamic, cool and state of the art contact manager app using react.js and react context API as well. Yes guys, you heard that right. Today in this video we are going to learn something cool, something awesome, something dynamic in react.js. And guys, today in this video we are going to know that how to create an awesome, dynamic, cool and state of the art contact manager app using react.js and react context API as well. Okay, so guys, just to give you the demo, I have already created an example. So let me go to the example now and let me just show you the example. Let me just explain all the features, all the functionalities of the example to you, so that we will get to know that today what we are going to learn and today what we are going to create in this video, in this tutorial with me, ER Prabhat Pandit. Okay, so let me go to the example now. So guys, this is the example I have built using purely react.js and react context API as well. So guys, here we can see the heading also, contact manager using react context API. Yes guys, you read that right. Here we are going to create this awesome and dynamic contact manager app using react.js and react context API as well. Okay, so guys, we all know that react context API is very important to learn, to know, if you want to become a great and dynamic react.js developer in coming future. So guys, in this video we are going to discuss, we are going to know about context API in depth, in details. Okay, in this video, in this session, and using the technique, using the concept of react context API, we are going to build this contact manager app here in this video, in this tutorial with me, ER Prabhat Pandit. Okay, and guys, below we can see here one add contact form also with 3 input fields, namely name, email and phone number. And below we can see here one button also, add contact. Okay, to add the contact. Okay, so guys, as of now we don't have any contact in our contact manager app, so that's why we will be able to see this default text, no contacts yet. Okay, the moment we will have at least one data or record in our contact manager app, we won't be able to see this default text, no contacts yet. Okay, so guys, now I'm going to add a few contacts very quickly. So let me just add here. So web developer, so choose any random email address and choose any phone number. So guys, okay, this name, this email address and this phone number is just a dummy data. Okay, I have just used this dummy data to explain you the things. Okay guys, it is not linked, it is not related to any person who is dead or alive. Okay, this is just a dummy data, no real data at all. Okay, so guys, now we have to click this button, add contact, to add the contact, and then only we will be able to see it. Okay, so guys, just click the button, add contact. So see, boom guys, now the contact added, and we can see here we got the notification also. So guys, this is the ant design notification I have used here, ant design notification, to let the user know that data or record have been successfully saved or added. Okay, so this is the ant design UI notification, and this is the contact we have just added, web developer. Okay, so contact saved now, web developer, and guys, here is the contact. Okay, so this is the name, web developer, email address is this, and phone number is this. And guys, below we can see here two buttons also, delete and view. Okay, so guys, this view button is used to view the entire details, entire data, entire record in a nice and dynamic and design modal as well. Okay, So this is the button to delete the record, to delete the data. Okay, so first of all, let me just add a few more contexts, and then only I will be able to explain you the things very clearly and very like what can I say, efficiently. Okay, so let's just add a few more contexts. So Prabhat Pandit, and let's just choose any random email address and give here any phone number. This is the random phone number. Okay, so add the contact now. We can see here Prabhat Pandit contact saved now. Okay, and here is the contact name is Prabhat Pandit, email address is this, and phone number is this, and below we can see here two buttons also, delete and view. Okay, so let's just add a few more contacts. I just say here Priya Kumari Sharma, give here priya@dummy.com email address, and give here any random number. Add the contact now. So you can see here Priya Kumari Sharma contact saved now. Priya Kumari Sharma, this is the ant design UI notification. Okay, and here is the record, here is the data, name is Priya Kumari Sharma, email address is this, and phone number is this, and below we can see here two buttons also, delete and view. Okay, and from this button also we will be able to delete the data or record. Okay, so guys, now let me just guys explore you or the reveal you the one of the most important feature of this contact manager app. Okay guys, I have used here local storage as well. Okay guys, you heard that right, I have used here local storage as well to save the data locally. Okay, so guys, whenever you will refresh the page, whenever you will reload the page also, then also your data is going to persist, your data is going to remain here even if you will refresh the page, even if you will reload the page. Okay, so guys, now let me just refresh the page. So see, boom guys, data is still here guys, the data is still here. We have just added this. Okay, these three records. Okay, so guys, now let me just add here few more contacts. I just say here Pooja Kumari. Okay, and let's just say here Pooja@yahoo.com. put here any random number and add contact. You can see here contact saved Pooja Kumari, and here is the name. Okay, here is the data, here is the record Pooja Kumari, and this is the email address, and this is the phone number, and here also we can see here two buttons also, delete and view. Okay, to view the record, to delete the record. Okay, and now let me just refresh the page. Like I told you, we have used here local storage to save the data, to okay, preserve the data locally on our machine. Even if we will refresh the page, even if we will reload the page also, then also our data will remain here. It will be remain here, it will not vanish, it will not removed. Okay, unless and until we will remove it explicitly. Okay, so let's just refresh the page. See, it will remain here. And guys, now I am going to delete all the record, all the data one by one. Okay, so guys, now I'm going to first of all I'm going to delete this data, Prabhat Pandit data or record. Okay, so guys, first of all, let's just see, let's just view all the data in nice and dynamic Modal. So let's just see this web developer data. So click the button view. So see, boom guys, you can see here I have used here nice and dynamic, okay, ant design Modal. Okay, so guys, this is the ant design Modal I have used here. So name is web developer, email address is this, and phone number is this, and just click anywhere. So it is now gone. View details of this record, Prabhat Pandit. So view. So see, name is Prabhat Pandit, and this is the email address, and this is the phone number. So close this. Now I'm going to view the record of this data, Priya Kumari Sharma. So view details. Okay, so here is the name Priya Kumari Sharma, and email address is this, and phone number is this. Click OK, and now I'm going to view the details of this data, Pooja Kumari. So click the button view. So see, boom guys, here is the data, name is Pooja Kumari, and email address is this, and phone number is this. Click OK. So guys, now we can see here I have just shown you all the details, all the records in a nice and dynamic Modal. Okay, and guys, now I'm going to delete the data randomly one by one. Okay, so first of all, I'll delete this data, Prabhat Pandit data or record. So click the button delete. So see guys, before deleting the data, it is going to ask you for your permission, for your confirmation whether you are sure to delete the data or not. Okay, so it is going to ask you, are you sure you want to delete this contact? So if you will cancel the data will be not deleted, your data will be safe. Okay, so let's just click here this cancel button. Now you can see here your data is now safe. Click OK. You can see here, just refresh the page. See, it is still here. Refresh one more time. See, it is still here. Now I'm going to actually delete this delete this Prabhat Pandit data. Okay, so just delete it now. So are you sure you want to delete this contact? Click OK this time. Okay, you can see here contact deleted successfully. Click OK, and now refresh the page. See, once you will delete explicitly or manually, it will be deleted, it will not come back. Okay, so I have used here local storage as well, okay, to save the data locally on our machine. Okay, so guys, now I'm going to delete this data, Pooja Kumari data, from local storage and from UI as well. Okay, so just click the button delete. So you can see here, every time guys you will try to delete any data, it is going to ask you the permission, it is going to ask you for your confirmation whether you are sure to delete the data or not. Okay, so it will say here, are you sure you want to delete this contact? So let's just click OK. You can see here contact deleted successfully. Click OK. So now contact is gone. Now refresh the page. See, it is now gone. Okay, refresh one more time. It is now gone. Okay, so guys, now I'm going to delete this record, this web developer record I'm going to delete. Okay, so click the button delete. Sure, are you sure you want to delete this contact? Let's just click cancel. Okay, so you can see here your data is now safe. Click OK. Refresh the page. It will remain here. Okay, so web developer record is still here. I'm going to now actually delete it. So click the button delete. Are you sure you want to delete this contact? Click this OK this time. So now contact deleted successfully. Click OK. So now we have just got here one record, one data, Priya Kumari Sharma. Refresh the page one more time. So once you will delete, it will be removed, it will be deleted permanently. Okay, from local storage as well as from UI. Okay, so let's just remove this data as well, Priya Kumari Sharma. So delete. Are you sure you want to delete this contact? Click cancel. Okay, so your data is now safe. Refresh the page. It will remain here. So now I'm going to actually delete it. So delete. Are you sure you want to delete this contact? Click OK. So now you can see here contact deleted successfully. Click OK. So now again we will be able to see this default text, no contacts yet. Okay, so I'm going to add a few more contacts very quickly. Let's just refresh the page one more time. So see, no contacts yet. Let's just add a few contacts very quickly. Web developer, choose any email address, choose any number, and add context. Now you can see here contact is now saved, web developer. Okay, and you can see here is the record, here is the data. And now let's just add this Prabhat Pandit as well. So choose any email address from here and choose any number from here, add contact. Okay, refresh the page. You can see here this is the nice and dynamic notification from Ant Design UI library. Okay, so refresh the page. We have only two contacts here. So you can see here the contact will remain here even if we will refresh the page, even if we will reload the page, because I have used here the technology of local storage. Okay, we all know what is local storage. Local storage is a mechanism of key value pair. Okay, so this is it. And now let me just add here a few more contacts. I'll just say here Priya Kumari. Okay, Priya Kumari. Let's just add here the email address also. Okay, let's just, this is not the priya@dummy.com, and let's just add here any number. Okay, so let's just add contact. Okay, so this is the contact Priya Kumari saved now. Here is the contact, here is the record Priya Kumari. Let's just add here. I'll just say here Deepak Sharma, and deepak@gmail.com. Choose any number, add contact. So here is the record Deepak Sharma. Refresh the page. Here is the notification also. Refresh the page. Okay, so you can see here it will remain here unless and until we will remove it, unless and until we will delete all the record, all the data. Okay, so now let's just see details very quickly. So here is the name Deepak Sharma, email address is this, phone number is this. Click OK. Now this Priya Kumari Sharma or Priya Kumari view record. So name is Priya Kumari, email address is this, and phone number is this. Click OK. Now this Prabhat Pandit view details. So name is Prabhat Pandit, email address is this, phone number is this. Click OK. And now this web developer. So name is this and email address is this and phone number is this. Click OK. So now guys, let me just delete very quickly all the data, all the records. Okay, so click OK. Okay, so now record is gone. Refresh the page. Okay, and now I'm going to remove this record, Prabhat Pandit record, delete, click OK. So now data contact deleted successfully, click OK, refresh the page. Okay, and now again I'm going to delete this Pillai Kumari record, so delete. Are you sure you want to delete this contact? Click OK. So contact deleted successfully, click OK, and this refresh the page first, and here is the last record, here is the last data of Deepak Sharma, delete it also. So are you sure you want to delete this contact? Click OK. So contact deleted successfully, click OK. So now we don't have any record, so we will be able to see this contact or the text, no contacts yet. Okay, refresh the page. Okay, so guys, this is the feature, this is the functionalities of this contact manager app. And guys, we are going to learn that how to create this kind of dynamic and cool contact manager app using React and using the concept of React Context API as well. Okay, so guys, now let's get started and let's learn and let's build this contact manager app with me, Prabhat Pandit, here in this video, in this tutorial. Okay, so guys, let's get started. But guys, before starting of the video, I would like to request you all guys, please guys, subscribe now my this channel Code with ER, and please guys press the bell icon also, so that whenever I'll upload the new video in the playlist, you can be notified, and guys, you will be able to watch the video, and guys, definitely guys, you will be able to grow also in your professional IT career as well. And please guys, do like this video also, which is going to give me the confidence and motivation to create awesome videos like this for you on each and every topic of web development and full stack development also. So please guys, and please don't forget to share this video with your friends, with your colleagues, with your group as well. Okay, please guys, you have to do here 4 things for me. So guys, first of all, you have to subscribe now my this channel Code with ER, and second, you have to press the bell icon also, so that you will be notified whenever I will upload the new video in the playlist. And third, you have to like this video also, which will give me the confidence, which will give me the motivation to create awesome videos like this for you on each and every topic of web development and full stack development also. And fourth guys, you have to share this video with your friends, with your colleagues, with your groups also. So guys, I'm going to count on you, I'm going to trust you that you will subscribe now my this channel. Guys, I'm going to count on you, I'm going to trust you that you will subscribe now my this channel Code with ER. So please guys, please subscribe now, and please promote me guys, please support me and please promote me. Okay, please guys, subscribe now my this channel Code with ER. Okay, so guys, now let's get started and let's learn and let's build this contact manager app using React and the concept of React Context API with me, Prabhat Pandit. Okay, I hope I've explained you all the features, all the functionalities now. Okay, so guys, now let's get started and let's learn. Okay, so let's just, I'm going to use here guys VS Code editor to write my code. Okay, I'm going to use here guys VS Code editor to write my code. Guys, you are free to use the IDE of your choice, of your preferences. Okay, so first of all, let me just create here the context provider file. I'm going to create here the context provider file. I'll just say here React, okay, context provider file dot .jsx, save the file inside the context folder only. So click save, and now let me just remove this. Let's just import here React first. So React, okay, let's just import here the function also, create context. Okay, so create context is the function, it is not a hook. Okay guys, remember this, create context is not a hook, it is a function. Okay, so let's just now create here. So I'll say here export, okay, and const, and I'll just say here context, okay, equal to this create context, and let's just paste it here. We can give here blank also, or we can give here null as well. So this null will be the default value. Okay, so this is it. I'm going to create here the component first, the main component. I just say here context provider. Okay, context provider equal to, I'll use here this Fedora function, and just now return all the things first. So okay, so export default and this context provider. Okay, this context provider, close this. And now first of all guys, I have to give here the special prop also, which is children prop. Okay, so let's just give here children. Okay, so let me just write here comment first. So create context. Okay, create context for components. Okay, components. Okay, and let me just now copy this. Okay, context and copy it from here and just paste it here. Dot, I'll just say here dot provider like this, and just copy this and just close this now. And now we will give here the value prop as well, so value like this. Okay, and now copy this children from here and just open and closing curly braces and paste it here like this. Okay, so guys, in this way, let me just write here what is this dot provider file all about. The okay, so gives access to components. Okay, to components, simple or nested components. Okay, components. Okay, this is it. Just save the file. Okay, so guys, in this way we have just created here the context provider file. Okay guys, in this way we have just created here the context provider file, and now we will just create here the main app.jsx file also. So let's just bring it here. Okay, so guys, I'm very sorry. So guys, now we have just created here the context provider file, and now I'm going to create here the main app.jsx file also. So let's just copy this file and control and just paste it here. Let's just copy this and just paste it here, and let's just remove everything very quickly. Let's just remove this. Let's just remove this also, and I will need this classes, so cut it out from here and just paste it here, comment it out. Okay, and let's just remove everything. Okay, let it be here only, content manager, this text, and let's just remove this also. And now, as of now, just save the file. Okay, and now inside the src only, I'll say here app dot, okay, app underscore thousand dot jsx save. Okay, first of all, you just copy this and control as C, and now save this file inside the src folder only. Okay, so let's just hit save. So now let's just save this, and guys, now come to the main.jsx file. We have to register this file also inside the main.jsx file. So go to the main.jsx file and let's just paste it here, and let's just copy this out and just paste it here, and cut it out from here and just replace with this, and let's just comment this out. And as of now, guys, just save the file. Okay, just save the file and come to the our file app.jsx, app underscore thousand.jsx. So save this one more time and come here, and now guys, just save the file and just save this file also. And now have a look in the browser first. So here is the text contact manager using context API, which means our app.jsx file is doing great, it is doing fine. Okay, so guys, now let me just create here very quickly one simple component also, which is counter component. I'm going to create here very quickly just to give you the demo. Okay, just to give you the demo, I'll just create here one state variable. Okay, one state variable. I'll just say here counter, and I'll just say here set counter. Okay, set counter equal to useState, and now just give here the default value as a 0. Okay, so we have to expose this counter state variable now through this value okay, prop. So guys, just save the file. Okay, just save the file, guys, very quickly, and just create here new file first. I'm going to create here new file. I'll just create here the counter app, okay, underscore thousand dot jsx. Hit save inside the component folder only, click save. Okay, and very quickly I'll just create here the component. So first of all, let's just import here react, and I will, guys, use here the useContext hook also. Okay, I'm going to use here the useContext hook also. So guys, okay, this useContext hook will allow us to use this context provider file. Okay guys, listen to me very carefully. Guys, listen to me very carefully. This useContext hook, guys, this useContext hook will allow us to use this context provider file inside inside any component. Okay, inside any component, this is it. And now I'll just say here import, and now we have to import this. Okay, we have to import this contact context from this file. Okay, inside our app.js file, I'll just say here contact context. Okay, yeah, this is the file. Okay, this is the file, this file. Okay, our this file. Okay, our this file. Okay, so now let's just create here the counter component very quickly. I'll just say here const. Okay, and just say here counter app underscore 1000. Okay, I'll just use here the fatter function. So let's just say here return first, not return to, I'll resize to. So I'll just say here return, and now just give a div here. So div, and now let's just export this first. Let's see here export default, and let's just copy this component name and just paste it here. Close this, and now we will inside the guys component. Okay, inside the component body only, guys, listen to me very carefully. Inside the component body only, and now we will just say here const. Okay, const, I'll just say here like this, not curly braces, it is equal to useContext. Okay, useContext, and just close this, and this context. Okay, like this. And now we can see here it is now this counter state variable is a global state variable now. Okay guys, this counter state variable is a global state variable, so it will be available here also inside this component as well. So paste it here. Okay, let's just give a little bit of space also, and now let's just create here h1 tag. So let's just say here counter, and let's just control. Okay, so copy this counter and just paste it here. Okay, so guys, as of now just save the file, and we have to export this file also inside our app.js file also. So I'm going to do that now. So I'll just say, let me just see the component name is counter app underscore 1000. So I'll just say here import. Okay, counter app underscore 1000 like this. So let's just copy this, and now here below this I'll just say like this, save the file and have a look in the browser first. Okay, so first of all guys, we have to use this. Okay, we have to export this. Okay, file also, context provider file inside our app.js, inside our this file. Okay, so I'm going to use this. Okay, context or just this context provider. Okay, so I'll just say here import. Okay, context provider. Okay, from this file, and now we have to wrap our entire app. Okay guys, now we have to wrap our entire app using this context provider. Okay, so copy it from here and just wrap it like this, and just wrap it like this. Okay, so guys, in this way we have wrapped our entire app.js file, entire component. Okay, and now any simple or nested component will be able to use this context provider file. Okay, inside any component. Okay, because we have wrapped here this app.js file using this context provider file of okay from this file. Okay, so just save the file and have a look in the browser first. So see, boom guys, here is the counter. Let me just refresh the page one more time. Okay, so here is the counter. Let me just create here one button first. I'm going to create here one button to increase the counter. So let's just say here button. So button, and close this button now, and let's just give here classes also, btn. I'll just say here warning. Okay, so just say here so just say here increase counter. Save the file, have a look in the browser. So here is the button increase counter, and now I'll just say here on click, I'll define here one method also. So I'll give here anonymous filter function like this. Okay, and now we have to, and guys, now we have to expose this. Okay, set counter state variable also through this value prop. So just expose this also like this. So now just copy this. Okay, and just come here to the app.js file, this okay counter file. Okay, and just put comma here and paste it here, and now we will be able to use this as well, this setter function. So now I'll just say here okay this counter. this counter, okay, and +1. Just save the file and have a look in the browser now. Click the button increase counter to see now counter is being increased every time by 1. Okay, now counter is being increased every time by 1. Okay, just say here -1 to decrease it every time by 1. Save the file, have a look in the browser. So decrease it now, you can see here it is now being decreased. Okay, okay, so guys, our control is being doing great, it is doing fine. So let me just show you one more time. So let me just decrease it. Okay, so let me just increase it now one more time by 1, or we can increase it anytime by 10 on also. So just save the file. So it will be 15, it will be now 25, 35. Okay, so every time it will increase the counter by 10. Okay, so this is it. Let's just okay, so guys, let it be. Guys, now I'm going to create here the like form, the add contact form. I'm going to create here the form now. So let's just create here new file. First I'll just say here contact form underscore 1000 dot jsx. Save the file inside the components folder only. Hit save, and let me just create here import here first react, and I'll just use here the state variable also. So use a state also like this. Okay, so let me just first of all we will import this, okay, context provider file as well inside the contact form inside this component as well. So now I'll just say here context. So it is context from this file. Okay, from this file. So now let's just create here one component also. I'll just say here contact underscore 1000 equal to. Now let's just close this and let's just return this, and just now create a div here and just close this div. So first of all let's just export this also, export default, and let's just put here this contact name, I mean the component name, okay, like this. And let's just give here the classes also. I'll just say here my class, okay, my class like this. Let's just create here the form first. I'm going to create here the form first. Okay, I'm going to create here the form very quickly. So let's just create here first of all let's just create here form. Close this form now, form, and let's just give here classes also. I'll just say here padding 3, and let's just say here container class also. I'll just say here rounded class as well. I'll just say here border also like this, and margin top I'll give here of 4, margin bottom I'll give here 4 as well, and I can give here. So just open this form now, and now I can just create here the, what can I say, another div now. So give here classes also row, and g3 means gap 3. Close this div now, and now inside this div I'm going to create here another div. So close this div very quickly. So just give the classes also. I'll say here call empty, call empty4, and I'll just say here mb also, margin bottom 3 also. So let's just open this div now, and inside this div I'll just create here another div. Okay, so div and just class name I'll just say here input group. So input group, group, input group, and now I'll just create here input field first. So input, okay, input, I'll just say here type, I'll give here text. I'll just say here name equal to name, and I'll just say here placeholder also and so name like this, 3 dots also. I'll give you the classes also. Dynamically I'll use your classes. Okay, so backtick, I'll just say here form control. Okay, so guys, as of now just save the file, and import this file inside the app.js file as well. So I'm going to import it now. So import contact, okay, underscore 1000 like this, and copy this, and now here, so just paste it here, save the file, and have a look in the browser first. So here is the our form contact, okay, add contact form. So let's just come to the form now, and now here also I'll create here one h2 element. So h2 element, close this and give the classes also. Margin top I'll give here 3, margin bottom I'll give here 3, and I'll just say here text left, okay, and I'll just say here display I'll give you a display 4, and I'll just say here add contact, okay, form, save the file, have a look in the browser. So here is the add contact form. Let's just make it, okay, display 5. So here is the add contact form. Let's just give here, okay, font weight also bold, save the file, have a look in the browser. So okay, so this looks cool also, guys. Okay, this looks also cool. There's no issue, there's no any problem at all. Okay, and let's just create here one state variable also. So I'll just say here const, okay, const, and let's just say here form data. I'll say here set, okay, set form data equal to, I'll use here the I'll create here the object first. I'll just say here name equal to let it be blank only. I'll just say here email, email, let it be blank only. I'll just say here phone, okay, let it be blank as well. So give comma here. Okay, so guys, let me just copy this, okay, div very quickly, and let's just paste it 3 times. Okay, and let's just say here instead of text, I'll just say here tell, okay, and just to give here phone. Okay, so guys, this phone, okay guys, this phone, okay, this name, email, and phone. Here we can see here name is name, and we will give here name equal to email, okay, name equal to email, like this, and just give here type also email, okay, like this, and say here enter email, like this. Okay, and here also we will say here enter phone. I'm very sorry, guys, save the file, have a look in the browser. So what is the issue here? What is the issue here? Okay, so use state, and what is the issue, guys, here? So okay, use state, like this. Okay, save the file, and have here is the our form. Here is our form. Okay, so guys, I'm going to remove this counter component. Guys. Okay, so let's just come here and remove, or let's just comment it out here only. Okay, we don't need to remove it. Save the file, have a look in the browser. Here is the contact form. Okay, so we will create a button very quickly. So now I'm very sorry, so let me just check here. Here is the div only, so create a div first, and just to close this div. Now I'll just say here class name also margin top, okay, 4, margin bottom also 4, and let's just create here button first. So button, and close this button now, and let's just give here classes also btn, I'll say here warning, I'll say here success. Okay, this is it. I'll just say here add contact. Okay, save the file, have a look in the browser. So here is the button add contact. Let's just put here 3 only. Save the file, have a look in the browser. So here is the button add contact. Okay, so let's just import here icon also from React only. I'll just say here user, so far user icon. Okay, let's just copy this icon from here, and let's just paste it here like this. Okay, save the file, have a look in the browser. So here is the add contact, okay, user, this is it. Okay, so guys, now we will just give you the type as well. So I'll give you a type also submit. Okay, submit, save the file, and now on this form, what I'll do here, I'll just say here, okay, on submit, I'll say here handle submit. Okay, submit form, like this. So copy this and just define it now first. So not continue, it's const, like this, and give equal to useeffect function, and like this, close this, and now put here event object as well. So submitting is an event. Okay, so let's just say here first of all event dot prevent default, like this. Okay, so now what I'll do here, I'll just copy this form data. Okay, form data dot name, form data dot email, form data dot phone. Okay, so to apply the dynamic classes, okay, just like this. So let's just say here dollar, I'll just say here, okay, if form data dot name, if form data dot name is equal to blank, okay, is equal to blank, we will apply here the bootstrap classes. I'll just say here is valid. Okay, is valid. Okay, is invalid. Okay, otherwise we will apply a blank class. Save the file and have a look in the browser. So here is the invalid class. Okay, so let's just copy this very quickly and just paste it here. So instead of name, I'll just say here email. Okay, if email field is blank, okay, so we will apply the classes instead of name I'll just say here phone. If phone field is blank, save the file, have a look in the browser. So here is the okay, so let's just put here anything. So now this is green now. Okay, is valid. Let's just check here. I might be mistaken. So let's just yeah, I guess this will. So form data dot name is invalid. Okay, so class name form control form data dot name, okay, if equal to blank, we will apply this class. Okay, we will apply this class, otherwise is invalid. Okay, is invalid. Let me just check what is the spelling. So refresh the page. So technically guys, okay, it should be technically invalid. Is so okay, we will check it later on. Okay, we will check it later on. So let me just now, okay, let me just say here now, and now what I will do here, I'll just say here value. Okay, so we have to apply here value. So I'll just say here form data. Okay, form data dot name, form data dot name, save the file, have a look in the browser. So here is the now. Okay, so let me just apply here. Okay, so let's just copy this value prop from here and paste it here also. Instead of name, we will say here email. Okay guys, this email, okay, this, okay, this form data guys, okay, this form data dot name, email and phone number. Okay, this user state. Okay, this user state. Okay, so let's just paste it here also, and instead of name I'll just say here phone, save the file and have a look in the browser. So we don't have any issue. Let me just go to the developer tools one more time and check what is the issue here. Okay, so value prop. Okay, so okay, let it be. Okay, I'll just say here, I'll just say here on change, I'll just say here handle. Okay, handle change. Okay, handle change like this. So we will define this now. So copy this handle change method name and just now const. Okay, const, just paste it here. I'll just use the anonymous fader function like this. Okay, and just to say here event. So now we will just say here, okay, we will just to use this set form data. We will just use this set form data. So copy it from here and now just paste it here, and now we will just say here like this. So close this first. So we will just keep all the data first. So keep all the data. So spread operator and just paste it here. It will keep all old data. Okay, this is it. And now we will just say here event. Okay, event dot target, event dot target dot name colon, I'll just say here event dot target dot value. Okay, dot value. So put comma here. Okay, so guys, I hope you know what I'm doing here. So this is the key value pair. Okay, this is the key and colon value pair. Okay, this is it. So guys, let's just give here equal to. So now just save the file and have a look in the browser, refresh the page. So now there is no any issue. Okay, so still there is an issue here. Let me just check. You provided a value prop to a form field without on change handler. This will render read only field. Okay, okay, so it is going to, that's why. So let's just say here on change handle change I have given here. So use state. Okay, use state. So const. Okay, const form data, set form data, and here I have done here. So event dot target dot name and equal to event dot target dot value. Let me just check the form input field first very quickly. So here is the on submit. Okay, on submit is here. Okay, and type is submit now. This is cool, this is okay. So okay. So guys, what is the issue here? There's no any issue here. there is no any problem here. So copy this on change from here, we have to call it on each and every input field. Okay, so this save the file and now refresh the page one more time. So now see, we don't have any issue, we don't have any problem. Okay, and now yeah, this is now being green. Okay, so issue is now resolved, cut this out. So now this is doing great, guys. So now put here, so now this is green, put your number, now this is green. Okay, this is okay now. So now we will just define this handle submit okay method now. So I'll just first of all I'll just check here if input field is filled or blank. Okay, if input field is filled or blank, so does not equal to okay this form data does not equal to form data dot name. Okay guys, okay this form data dot name, this form data dot email, this form data dot phone. Okay, I'll check here using the or operator. So does not equal to form data dot email, form data dot email, and does or does not equal to form data dot phone, form data dot phone. So we will alert the user, please fill all the fields. Alert okay, alert the user, please fill all the fields. Okay, please filled all the required fields. Okay, fields. Okay, this is it, and just return here, return. So just save the file and have a look in the browser, and now refresh the page one more time. Okay, so now try to hit the button add contact. So see, boom guys, we got the alert, please fill all the required fields. So click OK, and now just fill all the fields. Okay, so now it is being green, and now hit add contact. So see, nothing is no alert at all, which means our submit handle is doing great. Okay, this is it. So now okay, so now guys, now let me just console this log. What I will get here inside the form field, I'll just say here console.log, and just now make it okay object, array of object, this form data, copy this form data from here and just paste it here, save the file, have a look in the browser, go to the developer tools first, go to the console, and now hit add contact. So here is the guys, here is the name, email address is this, name is this, and phone is this. Let me just put here okay 100. Okay, hit add contact. So here is the another object. So name is web developer 100, email number is this, and phone number is this. So this is doing great. Okay, let's just cut it out. Okay, so cut it out, and guys now first of all let me just copy this okay set form data, and we will just reset the form as well. We will reset the form now. So I'll just say here name like this, and email like this, reset the form. Okay, phone, reset the form. Okay, so just close this, save the file, and have a look in the browser first, hit the button add contact. So now the form is being reset. Again, go to the developer tools one more time for you only, go to the console and try to hit add button, add contact. So here is the object, and now form is also being reset. Okay, so this is doing great. So close this out, and now guys, now come here to the context provider file. I'm going to define here one thing, guys. I'm going to define here one thing, add contact method now. I'm going to define here add contact method now. I'll just say here const add contact, provide here the contact object only, provide here contact object only. So this is the object, and now just copy this. Okay, so let me just define here one state variable also. I'll just say here const, I'll just say here context. Okay, this context, and set okay context useState. I'll use here useState, and let's just give your default value empty or blank array. This is it. Okay, so this is known as the empty or blank array. So let's just now copy this okay set context, copy this okay set context, and just paste it here. And now what I'll do here, I'll just say here so preserve this all the previous data, preserve all the previous data. Okay, so let me just say here preserve all the old data. Okay, this is it. And now we will just add a new data. Okay, so I'll just create here first id using the date dot now method, date dot now, and let's just say here add new context as well. Okay, add new context as well. So we have to use here operator here, split operator. So it will say here add new context. Okay, context. Okay, so guys, this, okay guys, this add, okay guys, okay, this speed operator, guys, okay, this contact is the this object, this name, this email, and this phone number from here this form data. Okay, from here, from this form data. Okay, from here, from this form data, it is here this, okay, object context. Okay, so this will preserve the old data, and this will add the old, I mean this will add the new data with the unique ID every time as well. Okay, so we have to expose this add contact method also through this, okay, value prop like this. Save the file and copy this add contact method name from here and come here. We have to, okay, now, so let's just use here use context. Okay, use context hook as well to use this, okay, hook also. So now inside the component body only, so I'll just say here const like this, and now like this equal to, I'll just say here use context, and use context, close this, and just this context. Okay, so this is it. Okay, this is it now. So now just copy this, and what I'll do here, I'll just say here this form data. Okay, this form data. So now just close this. Okay, and now just close this, and now we will just show the notification also. So I'll just say here import notification from anti-design like this, and inside the component body only, I'll just create here I'll just say here API, and I'll just say here context holder equal to notification. I'll just say here use notification like this, close this. Okay, close this, and just use this. Okay, first of all just use this context holder, and come down, and here I'll just paste it here like this. And first of all let me just create here the JSX okay, fragments as well. So cut it out from here, and go down, and just paste it here. So issue is now resolved. Okay, so now issue is now resolved, and now copy this API, and now after the form, okay, yeah, let's just here only, I'll just say here paste it API dot success. So success notification I'll create here, close this, and now I'll just say here message. I'll just use here dollar sign. I'll just say here form data dot name. Okay, and put comma. I'll just say here description. Okay, description. I'll just say here description. I'll just say here what can I say, contact saved, put comma and dollar sign, and I'll just say here again. Okay, it is a backtick. Okay, so now we will just say here form data dot name to show the username also, or the record name also, and I'll just say here placement also. So placement I'll give here top. Okay, like this. As of now guys, just save the file and have a look in the browser first. So now refresh the page one more time, and now add a contact now, and now hit the button add contact. So see, boom guys, web developer contact saved now. Okay, so guys, now we are getting the data. So first of all guys, we have to now create a component. Now guys, I'm going to create here a new component as well, and we will use this. Okay, we will use this okay, context state variable, which is an array in that component. Okay, so I'm going to create here the new component first. So so here contact lists component dot jsx. Save the file inside the component folder only, hit save. So now let me just import here react first, and I'll just import here for to be on the safer side, I'll just import here the useState as well. Okay, useState, and now I'll just use here the useContext hook also to use the context API. Okay, from this file. Okay, from this file. So first of all let me just say here import. Okay, and like this I'll just say here context from this file also. So let's just now create a component what is this, guys? It's a const. Okay, I'm in a little hurry. Okay, so that's why you can see here I'm making a little bit mistake as well. Okay, so you can just like understand. Okay, so guys, give me guys a few seconds also to breathe in. Okay, so give me a few seconds, guys. So let's just continue, guys. Okay, so just create here component. I'll just say here contact. Okay, contact item, contact item, contact item equal to, and now just return this, and just now create a div, and create a div, not dove, it's div, guys. Okay, I'm very sorry. So let's just give you a class name as well. I can give you call, I'll just give you a 3, and just open this, and first of all let's just export. Okay, default, and contact item. Okay, contact item. Okay, and now just inside this we will just say here inside the component body only, I told you already, and let's just say here like this. What is the issue? Use context, and now close this context. Okay, like this, paste it here. Okay, paste it here, and now what I will do here, I'll just use this. Okay, I'll just use this. Okay, I'll just provide here the one prop also. Let's just provide here one prop. I'll just say here contact prop. Okay, so guys, this is the prop. Okay, guys, this is the prop. Okay, guys, this is the prop. Okay, just guys remember, this is the prop. Okay, so let's just now I'll just create here one span element also. So a span. Okay, and just close this span now. Okay, let's just bring this icon also from React only. I'll just say here far times. Okay, far times like this, and let's just copy this far times icon from here, and just paste it here. Give the classes also. I'll just say here absolute. Okay, absolute. So now below this span element, I'll just create here another. Okay, div. Now I'm going to create here another div now. Okay, to show the data. Okay, name, email, and phone number. Okay, I'll just say here class name. I'll give here I can give here classes also. So say here my class. Okay, my class, or let it be, guys. Okay, let it be only. So I'll just create here the span element or p element, para element. So let's just create here the span I mean the strong element also. So strong like this, and just copy this. I'm sorry, so copy this and just paste it 3 times. Okay, I'll just say here name, give colon, give space. I'll just say here email, give colon, give space. I'll just say here phone, give colon, give space. And now okay, so now this contact. Okay, this contact dot name to show the name. Okay, and let's just paste it here, and paste it here also to show the email, email, and to show the phone. Okay, to show the phone. Okay, like this. Okay, like this. So now guys, first of all this is it. Okay, so guys, first of all I'm going to create here another component. Okay, I'm going to create here another component. So let's just so I can cut it out. Okay, cut this out first, and let's just create here another div. So another div, and just give the classes also. I'll use the dynamic classes. I'll just say here backtick. I'll give you a card. Okay, I'll give you a padding 3 also, like this padding 3. I'll give you padding 4. Okay, I'll say here MB. Okay, give you a 4, and now just paste it. Okay, so now this will look okay cool as well. So let's just okay, so just Control Z, and I want to give you guys okay clear picture. So okay, so now this is it. So now guys, we will create here another component. So I'm going to create here another component very quickly. I'll just say here contact contact show context show. I'll say here component. Okay, component dot .jsx, save the file inside the component folder only. Hit save. Okay, hit save now. Okay, so guys, now give me guys, okay, a few seconds only. Okay, let's just continue. I don't have any time, so import react, and I'll just import here the context. Okay, use context hook also. So use context, this is it. And now we will just import here the, okay, we will just import here guys. Okay, let's just remove this counter application. Okay, I have explained you. Okay, so guys, I'm going to export this file also, this context provider file also, here also, here. Okay, so I'll just say here import context from this file. This is it. Let's just create the component very quickly. So const, and I'll just say here contact list. Okay, contact list equal to, and like this. And now I will guys return here first of all, and just close this div now. So export, okay, our default contact list. Okay, contact list, and just close this. And guys, now I'm going to use this, okay, component. Guys, I'm going to use this component inside our this, okay, context show component. Okay, this component, okay, contact list component. So let's just import it now. So import it now. So just say here contact item, not, okay, so contact, let's just see what is the component name here. Is contact item from this. Okay, so just say here contact item from this, contact item from this, yeah, from this file contact list component. Okay, so now we will use this, okay, component now. So I'll just say here div, give the container class container, and close this div now. And now I'll just say here I'll just create here h2 element first. So h2, I'm very sorry, so let's just give you a text also. I'll just say here no contacts yet, give exclamation mark also. And I'll just say here class name also. I'll say here text font weight, I'll give you a bold. And I'll just say here text center, and I can give here say here MB 4 as well. I'll say here display display, I'll say here 4. Okay, and now let me just, okay, first of all we will just okay, so I'll just say here make it contact list. Okay, let's just say here instead of no context, yes, let's just make here contact lists. Okay, this is lists. Okay, so give 3 dots also. This is it. And now I'll use the open and closing curly braces, and now I'll just import this. Okay guys, now I'm going to import this, okay, context now. This context state variable, so we have to expose this also. So I'll just expose this now. Okay, so expose this now, this context, okay, from this value state, okay, prop. Now guys, counter, set counter, add context, and context is the global state variable. Okay, is the global state variable, I mean are the global state variable. Okay, I'm very sorry. Okay, just like, okay, just ignore this. Okay, like okay, so copy this context from here, and just now we will just export it now inside this. So I'll just say here const like this, paste it here equal to use context, and just close this. And this, okay, context like this. Okay, so paste it here, and now we will just check. Okay, we will just check, because you can see here, this context is an array. You can see here it is an array, so it must have a length property as well. So we will first check. Okay, we will first check if dot length, okay, dot length equal to 0. If it is 0, okay, if it is 0, we will just say here something, otherwise we will say here something. Okay, so now I'll just say here why not copy this. We have to just tweak it out a little bit only. So paste it here, Okay, we will just tweak it out a little bit. Instead of contact list, we will say here no contacts yet. Okay, no contact, no contact yet. Okay, no contact yet. Give double exclamation mark. This is it. Otherwise what I'll say here, I'll create a div first. Okay, and instead of this, let's just make it h2, and let's just make it h1. Okay, so now create a div, create a div. So let's just now, okay, now we will just say here give the class name also row, and justify content center. This is it. And now I'll just use here open and closing curly braces, and we will just use this. Okay, where is the this contact item, guys? Okay, where is the this contact item? So just copy this context first, and now dot map like this, and like this. Okay, and just say here item. Okay, if we want, we can give here index as well. Okay, but okay, so let's just use this component now. Contact item. Okay, contact item, which is this component. Okay, which is this component. Okay, which is this component. Okay, so let's just now this is the component. You can see here, there is a prop also, contact prop. So copy this contact prop from here and just paste it here, and now provide with this item. Okay, provide with this item. Okay, so guys, as of now guys, just save the file. Okay, so what is the issue here? There is issue here. It is saying there is an issue here. Okay, so let's just give here I can give here the key prop as well. So I'll just say here item dot id. Okay, item dot id, I'll say here. So what is the issue here, guys? What is the issue here? There is issue here. Let me just check what is the issue. So cut it out from here only. No, but guys, I don't think there is any issue at all. So context. Okay, you can see here there is a comma. You can see here there is a comma, guys, but it should not be comma, it should be dot. Okay, so now issue is now resolved. Okay, so guys, just save this file first. Okay, save this contact file as well. Save this context provider file as well. And now we will now import this component. Okay, this component. Okay, contact show component.jsx inside our this main component, which is app.jsx. So import. Okay, let me just see the component name first. It is contact list. It is contact list only. So contact list from this component. Okay, so just to copy this now, and now below this I'll just paste it here. Save the file. As of now, just save the file and have a look in the browser first. So see, here is the guide, contact list. Let me just remove this. So now no contact, instead of center, let's just make it left. Okay, left. Okay, so now instead of, I'll just give here text. Okay, text, I'll say here warning. Okay, text warning. Save the file. Now we can see here no contacts yet. Okay, let's just add the contact first. So web developer, and let's just choose this email and put any number here. Add contact now. So see, boom, guys, here is the add contact now. Okay, so now we will just fix this. Okay, we will fix this cross icon first. So come to this component now. So I'll just create here const. I'll just say here styles. Okay, styles. So I'll just say here close like this, and now put comma here, and I'll just say here position. I'll say here absolute. Guys, you can give me just few seconds only. I'll just say here top. Okay, top here I'll give here 20px, and I'll just say here left also. It's not left, it's left. Okay, I'll just say here left, okay, 20px as well, and I'll just say here float right as well, right, and I'll just say here cursor, I'll just say here cursor, say here pointer, and just now come down on this span element only. I'll just say here style, and I'll just say here styles dot, okay, close like this. Save the file, have a look in the browser first. So here is the cross icon. Let me just go to the developer tools, okay, and let me just, okay guys, instead of going to the developer tools, let me just go to the, I will just copy this from here only, okay, I'll just copy this from here only, okay. This is very simple, okay. I have and we all know what is this all about, okay, we all know what is this all about, okay. If you are learning React, you must be knowing this also. So let's just here is the, okay, so let's just paste it here. So copy this and let's just okay, so guys, let's just save the file, and here is the cross icon now. So let's just create here two buttons also, remove and delete button. So I'll just create here two buttons as well inside this card component as well. So create here two buttons very quickly. So create a div first, close this div now, and just give the class name also. I'll just say here display flex and justify content between, and create a two button very quickly to see the content and to delete the content, okay. So button, and I'll just say here delete to delete the content, okay. And let's just say here class name btn bt, and I'll say here danger, this is it, okay. And just to copy this also, and just paste it here. Instead of danger, I'll just say here info, okay, to see the information. I'll just say here view, okay, we can see view as well. Save the file and have a look in the browser first. So here is the button delete and view, okay. So here is the button guys, delete and view, okay. So guys, now we will define this method now, delete and view method as well, we will define it. So I'll just define first view, okay. I'll just define first view. So go to the ant design, I'll, okay. So let's just connect this net first. Okay, connected. Refresh the page one more time. So here is the ant design. I'll just use here the ant design modal, okay. Go to the components, guys. Please guys, in the meantime, you can subscribe guys my channel code with ER. Please guys, please subscribe now my this channel code with ER, please guys, please, okay. In the meantime guys, please guys, subscribe now my this channel code with ER. It's a humble request guys, to you, all of you guys. Please subscribe now my this channel code with ER guys, okay. Please, okay. So let's just now go to the modal, okay. Here's the modal, okay. Here's the modal, open it. So copy this modal from here and here only, okay, here only. So just paste it here, this is it. So first of all guys, just come to this content provider file and just come here, and on view button, I'll just say here on click, okay. On click, I'll just provide here the, let's just say here anonymous filter function, and now I'll just say here see details, and now we will give here the, okay, we will give here contact, okay. This contact dot, okay, let it be only entire object only, let it be entire object only. So just copy this, okay, see details from here, copy this from here, and come to the context provider file, and now const, paste it here and give equal to, and say here alert. First of all, alert, just to show you what it is all about. So I'll say here contact dot name. So copy this see details and just expose this also. So let's just bring it into the multi-line. So bring it into the multi-line like this for you only, put comma, and just expose this now, okay. Expose this see details method also, or function also. So now just save the file and this file as well, and have a look in the browser first. So come here, refresh the page one more time, add contact very quickly, add contact, hit add button, so you can see notification also and view details also. So see details, and see details is here. So okay, because the issue guys, but I know the issue, what it is all about. So we will just copy this. Okay, see details, copy this see details and come here, and not here, not here, here. So just grab it here, and now save the file, and now view details, see web developer, boom guys. Now add here Prabhat Pandit, any random email address, and this phone number, add contact, and now you can see here notification also, view details also. You can see here Prabhat Pandit. So this is doing great now, this is doing great. So come to the ant design first. So go to the, I'll use here this center vertically modal. Okay, so go to this, go to the javascript, and copy this modal code from here, and just come here, and here only, below only this. Okay, let's just now I'll create here guys. Okay guys, now I'll create here two more state variables. I'm going to create here two more state variable here inside this context provider file. Okay, here only inside this context provider file I'm going to create here two more state variables. I'll just say here modal, modal data. I'll just say here set modal, set modal data equal to user state, like this. And now just say here blank or the empty object, I'm sorry. And now const, I'll just say here open modal, modal open modal, say here, and set open modal equal to user state, and now just give here false, default should be false. Okay, so we will expose these. Okay, state variables also. So we will make this state variable a dynamic state variable. Okay, like this. So put comma here also, and just now we will expose this state variable also. So now in this way, this state variable is now the global state variable. Okay, global state variable. So now let's just copy this entire things from here and come here, and now we will grab it also here. Okay, so put comma here, paste it here. So let's just okay, like this. Okay, so like this. Okay, so now we will just copy this. Okay, set modal, this. Okay, save this file, copy this. Okay, set open modal from here, and just replace with this, and replace with this also, and copy this. Okay, open modal state variable, which is the global state variable, and just replace with this now. Okay, as of now guys, just now come here to the context provider file as well, to this context provider file as well. And now okay, say here set open modal, so say here okay, true now, make it now true. And now say here set modal data also, we will set. Okay, we will set this modal data with this context object as well. So just now save it, close this, and remove this alert. Now we don't need this alert now. Okay, save this file also, and save okay this file also. And now have a look in the browser first. So come here, refresh the page one more time. So add few contacts very quickly, web developer, this email address and any phone number, add the contact now. And now we can see here view details. So you can see here, boom guys, now the modal is being open. Okay, now the modal is being open, click okay. So now I'm very sorry guys, I'm very sorry for this. So now let me just import here the icons also. I'll just say here for user, and say here for mail bulk. I'll just say here for phone as well. So this is it. So copy this user icon from here, and now I'm very sorry guys. Okay, so let's just say here I can create here the, okay, let's just paste it here first. Okay, let's just paste it here first, this is it. And I can create here the strong element as well. Okay, let's just create here a strong element. So strong, and let's just say here name, and now first of all make the title dynamic now. So I'll just say here this form data, guys. This modal data, this modal data, this modal data, and dot. I'll just say here, I'll use here the optional chaining operator, a question mark dot, and to show the name like this. Okay, so just as of now, just save the file and have a look in the browser first. So view details. So here is the name, web developer. Add one more contact. So say here Prabhat Pandit. Choose any email address and choose any phone number as well, and hit add contact. So let's just here is the notification also, and view details. So here is the Prabhat Pandit. So this is doing great. Let's just add here one more details, Priya Kumari, and choose any dummy number or email address, and this dummy number. Okay, add contact. Okay, and view details also. So here is the title, Priya Kumari. So this is it. So close this now, and now here I'll just say here open and closing curly braces. I'll just say here let's just copy this and let's just paste it here. So to show the name, save the file, and now view details. Here is the name, web developer. So let's just put here colon and give a space, and now here is the name, web developer. Click OK. Prabhat Pandit. Here is the name, Prabhat Pandit. Click OK. Priya Kumari. Click OK. So now, so copy this. Okay, copy this entire things only. It will save a little bit time also. We have to just change the data. So to show the email, and instead of this we will say here email. Okay, instead of name we will say email, and instead of phone name I'll say here phone. I'm sorry, so instead of name I'll say here phone. This is it, and now we will replace the icon also. So copy this. Okay, far mail bulk, and replace with this, and far phone also, and replace with this also. Save the file and have a look in the browser first. So view contact. So see, boom guys, here is the web developer name, email and phone number. Click OK, and view contact of this Prabhat Pandit also. So just here is the name. Okay, close this. View details of Priya Kumari also. So name is Priya Kumari, email address is this, and phone number is this. Click anywhere on this gray area also to close this modal as well. So it is now gone. Okay, so guys, now we will just define this method, delete method. I'm going to define, guys, okay, this delete method now. Okay guys, I'm going to define this delete method now. Okay, so guys, you can give me, guys, okay, a few seconds only. So you just define here the delete method now. I'm going to define here delete method inside the context provider file only. So const delete contact. Okay, say here delete contact, and like this. So let's just copy this, give here equal to, and copy this delete contact, and just come here, and where is the delete button? Here is the delete button, and now just say here on click, and just now fat arrow function, and now just paste it here. So we will just say here, we will say here this contact. Okay, this contact dot id. Okay, so we will just give you id only. So now we will grab this id also. So come here, and we will grab this id here inside this function. So we will expose this function first. We will expose it now. So expose it as well. Save the file, and we will just import it first here, otherwise we will forget it. So let's just import it here also. This is it, and now we will define this method now, delete contact. Okay, I'm going to define it now, guys. Okay, I'm going to define it now. So I'll just say here delete contact. Okay, so I'll just say here this set contact, this set contact state updater function. So just now, okay, so now we will just delete it now. Okay, so first of all, let's just create here one const. Okay, let's just create here one const also. I'll just say here deleted. Okay, data equal to, I'll just say here context. Okay, this context dot filter. Okay, dot filter, and I'll just say here c okay, like this, and I'll just say here c dot id does not equal to this provided id. Okay, this provided id. Okay, so just paste it here, and just close this, and now just to copy this, okay, set context state updater function to update this. So just now say here and just update with this deleted data. Okay, so say here deleted, okay, say here deleted data. Okay, so now just guys just save the file. Okay, just save this file also, and just save this file also, and have a look in the browser first. I'm very sorry guys. So now I'm going to delete this record or data web developer, this web developer. Okay, so delete it. See, boom guys. So now we have to ask the user their permission, their confirmation as well. So instead of directly deleting, what I will do here, I'll just say here, so close it, and if window dot confirm window.confirm, I'll say here, are you sure you want to delete this record? Okay, this record. Okay, so if user will press OK or cancel, based on that we will perform the operation. Okay, so like this. Okay, if user will press OK, so we will delete this and we will alert it here also. So I'll just say here alert. Okay, your record deleted successfully. Okay, successfully, this is it. Else we will say here, copy this alert only and just paste it here. Your record is safe. Safe now. Okay, save the file and come here, save this file also, and have a look in the browser. Now try to delete the contact. See, are you sure you want to delete this contact? Okay, so click cancel. So you can see here your record is safe, and now going to delete it. Delete. Are you sure you want to delete this record? So press this time OK. See, your record is deleted successfully. Click OK. So record is now gone. Delete this. Okay, delete. So are you sure you want to delete this record? So cancel. Okay, your record is safe now. Click OK. Delete it one more time. Okay, so are you sure you want to delete this record? So click OK. Your data is now deleted successfully. Click OK. So guys, boom guys, now this is the so guys, every time you will try to delete the record or the data, it is going to ask you for your confirmation, for your permission. Okay, so this is the feature, this is the functionality. Okay, so let's just create a new user or the contacts. So just save the file. Okay, so you can see here UI. Okay, notification as well. So try to delete the contact. Every time it will ask you the permission to delete it or not. Okay, so it will ask you whether you want to delete the data or not. Okay, so click cancel. So your data is now safe. Click OK. Again delete it. So this time I'm going to click OK. So now your data is deleted successfully. Click OK. So you can see here no context yet. Okay, so guys, now I'll just show you the footer as well. I'm going to show you the footer as well. Okay, I'm going to show you the footer as well. So I will just okay, so guys, just let me just copy this footer. Okay, things only, it will save a little bit time only it is just a footer only. So just paste it here, and I'll just say here save inside the components. Okay, I'll just say here footer. Okay, footer underscore 1000 dot jsx. Save the okay, this is it. So let's just make it 1000. Let's just make it 1000. Okay, this is it. And now we will just remove this. Okay, otherwise we will it will give the issue. So we will import our file. Okay, our this okay, context provider file. Okay, our this context provider file inside the footer as well. I'll just say here like this. Okay, so context provider file like this. Okay, so copy this and just paste it here. Okay, and now this contact. Okay guys, this contact. Okay, this contact guys, I have shown you this context. Okay, this context. Okay, so come here. So it will check. Okay guys, it will check. Okay, if contact dot length is greater than 0, then only we will show the footer, otherwise we will not show the footer. Okay, if contact.length is greater than 0, then only we will show the footer, otherwise we will not show the footer. Okay, so we will just export this footer also inside the app.js file also. So import and just say here footer underscore 1000, save the file and copy this and just paste it here, save the file and have a look in the browser. So we don't have any contact yet, so we won't be able to see the footer. So now add the contact first to see the footer. Add contact. So see, here is the footer. Okay, here is the footer, code with ER Prabhat Pandit. Okay, so this is it. So let me just come here and I'll just define here another class. So I'll just say here BG. Okay, not BF. Okay, it's BG. I'm sorry, it's BG, not BF. Okay, so just say here background. I'll just say here background. I'll say here red this time. Okay, say here red this time. I'll give here color as a white only, and I'll just give here a little bit box shadow as well. So box shadow. Okay, box shadow 4px 2px and 20px RGBA. I'll give here 0, 0, 2. So now just copy this BZ from here and on this card I'll say here style. So styles.bg, save the file, have a look in the browser. So here is the red. Okay, let's just add here few context more. Okay, so this is it. We can see here. So guys, now guys, there is a problem here. Okay guys, there is a problem here guys. Okay guys, there is a problem here. The moment we will refresh the page, our data will be removed, our data will be vanished. Okay, so we don't want this. I want to remain, I want my data to remain here. I want my data to persist here. So I'm going to use here the local storage. So come here. So I'm going to use here the local storage guys. Okay, I'm going to use here the local storage very quickly. So come here, and now I'm very sorry. So I'll use here the lazy guys. I'm going to use here the lazy initializer function. Okay guys, I'm going to use here the lazy initializer function now. So I'm going to use here the lazy initializer function like this. Okay, like this. So guys, this is known as the lazy initializer function or state in React. Okay guys, this is known as the lazy initializer state in React. Okay, so I'll just say here const. Okay, I'll check the local storage guys. First of all, I'll check the local storage. I'll say here saved context equal to, I'll just grab the local storage. So local storage dot get item, local storage dot get item. I'll just say here with the key my data. Okay, with the key my data. Okay, so now we will check. Okay, so we will just return now. Okay, if there is any data, we will return it. Otherwise we will return the blank or the empty array. Otherwise we will return the blank or the empty array. So saved context. Okay, saved context equal to saved context. Okay, like this. Okay, first of all we will check here. So json dot parse. Okay, this saved context, if it is there, if anything is there inside the local storage, we will just return it. Otherwise we will return this. Okay, blank or the empty array. This is it. Okay, so guys, this is known as the lazy initializer state in React. Okay guys, this is known as the lazy initializer state of a state in React, and it is going to run exactly only once whenever for the first time our component will be mounted. Okay, so guys, this is known as the lazy initializer of state, and it is going to run only once whenever our component will be mounted for the first time. Okay, this is it. Okay, so now let's just say here use effect also, use effect. So let's just import it now. So now like this. Okay, so now we will say here local storage dot get item. So not get, let's just set item. So we have to set the item now. So with the key, okay, this key my data, okay, this key my data, and what I will store here, guys, what we will store here, we will just say here json.stringify, json.stringify. We all know we have to only store string or text inside the local storage. So we will just copy this context and we will just store it inside the local storage, and whenever this context will be changed, we will run this use effect as well. Okay, whenever this context will change, okay, whenever, guys, this context state variable which is an array, okay, will change, this, okay, use effect will execute and we will fetch the data from the local storage as well. Okay, so as of now, just save the file and have a look in the browser now. Refresh the page one more time and now try to add the context first. So web developer I'm sorry, guys, and this email, add contact, and now refresh the page. So see, boom, guys, boom, our data is here, guys. Let's just add here Prabhat Pandit, any email address, any random phone number, add the contact, and now refresh the page one more time. See, boom, guys, our data remain here, guys, our data is here. Okay, so let's just add here very quickly few contacts. Priya Kumari, let's just say here priya.dummy@.com, and let's just put here any random number, add contacts. Okay, refresh the page. So now view contacts. So here is the all the details in a nice and dynamic modal. Click OK, view contact. Okay, here is the data, view contact. Here is the all the details. Add one more contact, Deepak Sharma, and choose this email address and choose any phone number, add contact. So now view details also, I'm sorry, Deepak Sharma. So just refresh the page one more time. So see, boom, guys, even after reloading the page also, even after refreshing the page also, our data will remain here, our data will persist because I have saved each and everything from local storage. Okay, so guys, now I'm going to delete all the data, all the records. Okay, I'm going to delete it now. So delete this record first, web developer, delete it now. So click OK. So see, your record deleted successfully. Click OK, refresh the page. So see, boom, guys, only 3 details. Now I'm going to remove this record, Prabhat Pandit. So delete. Are you sure you want to delete this record? Click OK. Your data is now deleted successfully. Click OK, refresh the page. Again delete this data, Priya Kumari data, delete it now. Are you sure you want to delete this record? Click OK. So click OK. So now refresh the page. So we have got the last data, Deepak Sharma, delete it also. Are you sure you want to delete this record? Click OK. So delete it successfully. Click OK. So now we don't have any contact and we can't see the footer as well. Okay, so we have to at least we have to have at least one contact inside our contact manager app to see the footer. So let's just add few details very quickly. Okay, and add the footer. Now we can see here the footer as well, and we can see the notification also, and here is the data, web developer email address is this, phone number is this, 2 buttons also, view and delete. Refresh the page. So this will remain here, and now Prabhat Pandit. So any email random and any random number, add contact. Okay, please fill all the fields. So this Prabhat Pandit, add contact. Okay, so contact now added. We can see the notification as well. So say here Priya Sharma. So let's just say here Priya dummy@gmail.com, and any phone number, add contact. Okay, contact added. So view the details also. See, I'm sorry, guys, I'm very sorry. View details also, click OK. View details also, click OK, and we can delete the details also. So click OK. Your data is now deleted successfully. Click OK. Delete this record also, Prabhat Pandit also, delete. Are you sure you want to delete this record? Click OK. So now data is record deleted successfully. Click OK. Delete this record also. So are you sure you want to delete this record? Click OK. So now data is now recorded, now deleted. Okay, so guys, this is it all about using this context API in React, and we have just created here the contact manager app in React using the context API concept or technique as well. Okay, so I hope, guys, you have learned something cool, something awesome, something dynamic, okay, in this video, in this tutorial. And I hope, guys, you have subscribed my this channel Code with ER. Please, guys, subscribe now my this channel Code with ER. Please, guys, please subscribe now, please. Okay, So guys, I'm going to count on you, I'm going to trust you that you will subscribe now my this channel code with ER. And please guys, support me guys, please promote me, okay? Please guys, do like this video also, which will give me the confidence and motivation to create awesome videos like this for you on each and every topic of web development and full stack development also. So please guys, subscribe now, okay? Please subscribe now, please, please, okay? Please guys, I need your help, I need your support, okay? So okay, I hope guys you have learned something cool, something awesome, something dynamic in react.js today from this tutorial, from this session of mine. And you have already subscribed, okay, my this channel code with ER. So please guys, subscribe now. And thank you guys, thank you to all those guys, okay, who has already subscribed my this channel code with ER. Thank you guys, thank you, thanks a lot from bottom of my heart, from core of my heart. Thank you guys, thanks a lot. And thank you to also those guys who has not yet subscribed. Please guys, subscribe now. You can see I'm putting a lot of hard work, I'm putting a lot of hard efforts to create awesome videos for you on each and every topic of web development and full stack development also. So please guys, subscribe now my this channel code with ER. Okay, so this is it guys. I hope we have reached to the end of this video, end of this tutorial. So thank you guys for watching my video, for watching my content, okay? So see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care, bye bye guys. This is Prabhat Pandit signing off now. And guys, if you still have any query, any doubt, any problem regarding this video, regarding this session, then please guys, you can ask me in the comment section below, okay? Please guys, do ask me in the comment section below if you have any problem, any query, any doubt about this tutorial, about this content manager app, okay? If you want code, I'll give you the I can provide you the code as well through my GitHub handle, okay guys? If you want the code, I can provide you the code as well. You can just ask me in the comment section below, okay? So this is it guys. See you guys in the next video. Till then, take care, bye bye guys. This is Prabhat Pandit signing off now.